The lies we tell ourselves. Yazi sinokuyikhohlisa singabantu kwesinye isikhathi you find yourself ukuthi uphila ngamanga, uphila iqiniso awusalazi nje. Yonke into oyenzayo awusakhona ukuthi wenze into ngaphandle kokuthi ukhulume into engalona iqiniso. You've even convinced yourself ukuthi the way to go at it, the way to live, the way to live nabanye abantu, it's by creating that white lie, and those white lies become indlela yakho yokuphila, because now you are now used to it. It's now in you. It's now in your system. You just can't get away from it, and you think and believe ukuthi ukhohlisa abanye abantu, where else it's you ozikhohlisayo. You are the one who's derailing far and far and far from your own purpose by living impilo yamanga. I guess it's zame, just to live by the truth and see the difference. You can lie to other people and feel this person is not getting me, and they'll never find out, they'll never know. Then to go in this world that are not meant to actually find out by seeing, just by talking to you, just by listening to you. They're able to tell the truth from your lies. So be careful sometimes how you live to tell the white lies and just think, there's nothing wrong because this person will never know. I may not ever confront you at that time and say, Maradot, or Tombazan, what exactly are you saying? And within you, what does it do to you as a person? What does it say about you? If in life you end up telling more lies than you should tell the truth, how do you look at yourself afterwards? What do you say? You call yourself a pro. Are you that person who says, stormless? There's nothing that irritates me more than a person that actually feels like by keeping away the truth from me or by lying to me, it's actually it's them hiding something from me. It doesn't work like that. Awuzame ukuba neqiniso to yourself for a change as a person and see what difference it makes. If into kumele uzuqamba amanga ngayo in order for it to go your way, then it's obvious then that thing is not for you. That is not the way to live. Awuzame as a person and just change and see how it goes. Just maybe something different will happen in empilweni yakho, that will make you realize which I've been living a lie all along. It's time I grew up, it's time I changed.